And then you just really copy your link over here and just paste it over here and sit back and relax, and you can earn 58 cents every 60 seconds while you sit back and relax. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Now, 58 cents maybe doesn't sound like a lot of money, but let's put it into perspective. Let's take 58 cents every 60 minutes and let's go and calculate that. So that's 58 cents multiplied by 60 is $34.80 every 60 minutes. Let's go and put this into perspective in every 24 hours. So let's go and take $34.80 multiplied by 24 is a potential of $835.20 that you can earn every single day from this. This is free to do. It's not some spammy method that doesn't work. This has a very viral ripple effect that has a lot of potential to even make a lot more money online. And you're going to have a little plugin tool that will open up or a second stream or double up your income from this. And this can run on autopilot 24/7 as well. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give this entire system and my template at the end for you to go and copy and paste and do this yourself. Without further ado, we're going to hop straight into my PC and start with step number 1. Step number 1 is to leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like down below. It really pumps me up to see you guys leave positivity and really enjoy my videos, as it pumps me up to make more epic videos like this for you guys on the daily. So that's going to lead us to step number 1, is to come over to cpaleads.com. Cpa Leads is a cost per action marketplace where we can go and basically promote different cost per action offers. Now, how this differs from affiliate marketing is, with affiliate marketing, you're selling someone else's product or service and you get a commission for that. With CPA marketing, you need to get your lead to take an action and you will get paid a reward for that. So for example, let's say I'm giving away this pen and I refer someone to this giveaway for the lucky draw giveaway, and I refer a total of 10 people to this giveaway. And now at the end of the giveaway, there's a lucky draw where one of these 10 people's names will be pulled out of a hat and they will win the pen. Now, every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you will get a commission of, let's say, 50 cents or $1 or $2. It's not a lot of money. It doesn't sound like a lot of money, but over time, when volume starts to add up, that's when it starts to reach up to $100,000 per day, depending on the amount of volume that you can go and get. So, like the example I used of this pen, we are going to be using a PS5 giveaway on cpaleads.com. So you need to click on login or sign up on this website. It's super simple. I'll just quickly show you the sign up page. It's name, email, the usual, verify your email over here. And then like a security question just to secure your account. Once you've signed in, it's going to take you to your dashboard that looks like this. So over here you can see, if you come over to the office page, you've got all the different giveaways that I mentioned. So over here we've got a gift card rewards at Shopkicks giveaway over here. And if I scroll down over here, we've got a win a Galaxy Note 20 giveaway. And over here, you see over here we've got enter to win a PS5. This is the exact giveaway that we're going to use. We're going to give people the opportunity to win a free PS5, and every time we refer someone to this lucky draw giveaway, we get 58 cents per person that we refer. But there's a couple of things that we need to do. It's not a matter of just posting this on Facebook marketplaces or Quora or Reddit and hoping people click on it. We're actually going to use a very interesting strategy that will cause a very big ripple viral effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on enter to win enter PS5 over here. And here you will see your affiliate link. Now, you will notice this country is only the United States. This is super important because what I'm going to show you with this viral ripple effect, I'm going to show you how to make this go viral in only that country. So that means everybody that clicks on your link and enters this giveaway, you will get rewarded a commission of 58 cents. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this in a tab for now, and we're going to move over to step number 2, which is to close this. We'll just leave this over here. You want to come up to the top of this page. On the menu bar of CPA Leads, you want to click on lockers over here, and you want to click on website locker, and you want to click on create. And we want to go and create a URL locker, and here we can go and select a couple of themes. The first theme works perfectly fine, so we can go and select theme over here. And what you want to go and do is we want to click on locker name, and we just want to type here PS5 giveaway. And then you want to type here for the locker title to enter this giveaway. To unlock this page, please complete the offer below. To enter for the PS5 giveaway, please click the link below, and then they will say, we are checking for completion. And this is perfectly fine. And what you want to do is you want to click on under unlock event, you want to have open URL over here. And for the locker link over here, you want to have your affiliate link to your PS5 offer, where they can complete this offer and you'll earn 58 cents every time you refer someone to that. So let's go and click create website locker over here. Let's click on view code. Now what you want to go and do is you want to click on view code over here, and you want to copy the link to this locker, or keep this in a tab here for now. This is going to lead to step number 3. Step number 3 is we want to come over to a website over here called canva.com. Now, believe it or not, this little graphic design website is actually what's going to make this entire viral ripple effect. So I'm going to skip all the hard work and basically show you what I did and give this to you, and I'm also going to explain why. So we want to go and create a little post like this. So you want to go and create, and it says the following. To mark the launch of our brand new Twitter page at Games Collected 2, we have an awesome competition. You could win a brand new PS5 worth $599. To enter these steps, retweet this post to your feed and tag us, follow at Games Collected 2 or the name of your Twitter page, click on the link in your bio to submit your entry. So, as you can read over here, step number 3 is to come over to Twitter, and we want to go and post the same post that we made on Canva over here on Twitter, announcing our new launch of our giveaway and our new page. So we want to go and download this to our PC. Click on download on the top right as PNG over here, and click on download, and it will download probably in a couple of seconds. And once this is downloaded to your PC like this, you can come over back to Twitter, and you want to click on your Twitter post over here, attach the image, so just come back to downloads, attach this over here, and you then want to go and post this on your Twitter page with a little description. So you can just basically copy competition, you could win a brand new PS5, read down below, for example. Then what you want to go and do is you want to go and basically share this yourself, maybe create 1 or 2 accounts, post it on a couple of groups, because remember, the whole point of this is you just want to get 1 or 2 people to share it. As soon as you have 1 or 2 people that have entered and shared, also don't forget to go and put this link in the bio of your Twitter profile over here, the link. Don't forget to go and do that. That is important. That is the link to your content blocker page. But like I was saying, as soon as you get 1 or 2 people to share this, all of their followers are going to see this post. And some of their followers will also go and share this and tag you and follow you and click on the link and submit. And then all of their followers will share, click on link and submit and follow you. So 1 people can become 5 people, which can become 50, which can become 100 to 1,000 to 10,000, and it can have 1 viral ripple effect. So that is why this can go viral pretty easily, because in order to enter a free PS5 competition, I mean, who doesn't want to do that? You literally just need to follow the page and share the post, and that is where this goes viral. And you will get to a point where you're going to be having clicks, signups every couple of seconds and making 58 cents every couple of seconds like that. And you can also go and do this on Instagram, and you run this on Instagram and Twitter at the same time. So you can also go and run Twitter ads. Once you've made a bit of money on Twitter and just reposting and getting other people to share it, and you've got enough for a couple of Twitter ads, you want to go and run ads just in the United States, because keep in mind, this offer is only allowed in the United States. Go and run a couple of ads, and all of that paid traffic will share your post, and all of their followers will share your post, and that's just how it goes viral. And you can go and do the same thing on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Do it on all the platforms at the same time. And it's one of the easiest ways to get this viral ripple effect going. But that's it for today's video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a playlist up here on the screen for you guys to really help you out. So in tomorrow's video, I'm going to be talking about something epic and actually make money online live for you guys in the video on the screen. I'm going to make money live. So this playlist over here is basically some similar videos on what I've done before and how I've made money live. But you really want to be subscribe for tomorrow's video. I'm going to do an epic giveaway as well, a course and a money giveaway. So I'm going to have 2 giveaways in tomorrow's video. So make sure to be subscribed to the channel and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.